What's up, guys? Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the NR Motorsports YouTube channel. So today we got something new. I'm super excited about this because it's probably been about 12 years since I've been on one of these things, but we have a 2024 yz450fx. Bought this brand new. I've had it for about a week now. I haven't really done anything. I putzed around the backyard here, just around the building a couple times just to feel everything out, see how it is. But I'm waiting on my helmet and all that stuff to come, which I think it's going to be here Saturday. It was scheduled for Monday, but I think it's going to come early. But we have some stuff for this that I want to install on this before I start riding it, and I'll show you guys here. So we have a set of all white plastics. These are just all blank. I ordered a graphics kit that's going to come on Wednesday. So we're gonna install all this. I talked to my brother. He said it's easier to do the graphics kit with the plastics and all the stuff on, so it's got something to hold on to. So we're gonna get all this switched over today. I have a Handlebar guard system that go on here. This is wraparound full metal. It's got a handlebar, so it clamps onto the handlebar, and then this is where it attaches. So we're gonna get all this stuff on. Hopefully it shouldn't take more than like an hour. It's all got 10 mils on the handlebars, and then it's a bunch of 8 mils holding all this stuff in under there as well. So let me get all these bolts off, start pulling all these plastics, and I will show you guys the install on the whites. So let's get to it. Alright guys, that was actually a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. It took maybe, I don't know, 25 minutes to get everything off. Everything was an 8 mil, except for there was one bolt, and I'm pretty sure it's because at the factory or wherever they lost it, because it was a hex holding on right here. But everything was these 8 mils right here holding everything on. So maybe I can order one just so it looks OEM and has everything it's supposed to, because I don't see any hex bolts like this on any of the plastics or anything like that. So yeah, so let's start unboxing the white. I don't think I'm gonna go through each individual one. You guys can tell what's what, but let's get all this stuff bolted on and get ready for the graphics kit that's gonna be here on Wednesday. And hopefully we'll get some riding in once the my helmet and all that gear came in. My pants came in, and I'm really just waiting on gloves and helmet. So I could use my regular motorcycle helmet, but it's not that big of a deal. I probably won't be able to ride this thing somewhere in the woods until probably another 2 or 3 weeks anyway, because I do want to go get this thing registered, because there's a forest like 15 minutes from me with like 64 acres of like riding trails, and you can't ride unregistered dirt bikes on it because some of the trails cross roads. So I have to get it registered to ride it over there, and it's like 15 minutes from my house. So that's the one I want to go to. The other one's probably about an hour and 15 minutes in the other direction. So we will have the light kit and everything coming for this in another 2 weeks. But let's get the white plastics on, and we'll get the handlebar stuff mounted on, but I'll do that separate. guys, so honestly it was really simple. There's probably, I don't know, 12 13 bolts on each side, get everything off. But this is it on. The only thing that I didn't see that it came with was the air filter cap. If it didn't come with the kit, then I'll end up ordering one, but I would have thought that this would have came with the kit. The seat is going to be replaced with a Comfort XL, so this is only going to be on here temporary. That's not coming in until I think like another week or two, because it's a custom made part. But yeah, here's the walk around on everything. The decal kit will be here on Wednesday, but let's keep this video going. I gotta cut the ends off of these because those insert on them, and we'll get these installed on here. So let's do that next. All right guys, we got everything done just in time. These, again, super simple. There wasn't even directions for this, but it's kind of self-explanatory. It's the 2 bolts that go on here, and then this bolts up. You lock in this bolt. This bolt pulls this end in, and then you just bolt these things on right here. So it's super easy to install these. But yeah, overall everything's all set on this, and just gotta wait for the decal kit to come in. Super excited. Let me just start it up for you real quick. I think it's in neutral. Fired up. We're gonna idle and we're gonna put this thing away. I'll probably pull it out next week when the decal kit comes in, or if any other parts do come in. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will try to make more content with this once we get out and actually get to go ride it. But super excited. All the stuff's all hooked up. I got a couple more things coming in, and when they do come in, we will install them together. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions, throw them in the comment section below, and I will talk to y'all later.